Welcome to AMZ World, the place where you will find the best Amazon product descriptions. Today, we're diving into the GIVINGTREE Smart Bidet Toilet, a sleek, black beauty with all the bells and whistles for your bathroom upgrade. First up, let's talk design. Ever wanted your toilet to look like it belongs in a futuristic mansion? Well, now it can. This high-end smart toilet isn't just stylish, it's tankless. That's right, no bulky tank here, saving you space while delivering endless warm water. Who wouldn't want that luxury? Now, here's a question: ever struggled with a clogged toilet? With its 4.5L/3L dual flush system, this toilet flushes quietly but with power, no more worrying about efficiency. Plus, with an average of 1.32 gallons per flush, you'll be saving water and money. What's not to love? Need a spa-like clean? The GIVINGTREE Smart Toilet has you covered with multiple washing functions, including rear, front, and even female wash. Feeling fancy? Try the spa wash. And don't forget the self-cleaning wand, because who has time to clean that? Controlling all these features? Easy. Use the remote control, or in a pinch, the smart knob on the side. Want one? Check out the link in the description for an amazing discount. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to help our channel grow. We love you all. See you in the next video. Welcome to AMZ World. We're your gateway to the best of Amazon. Explore our channels: AMZ Sports for athletic gear, AMZ Mobility for tech on the go, AMZ Home for household essentials, and AMZ Tech for the latest gadgets. Our videos provide detailed descriptions and overviews of top-selling products on Amazon. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.